today we're looking at an item that the company did send me and did compensate me to make a review on. Now, this is a really cool and interesting item. What is it? It is little bags that you can make either craft items, or you can actually do them for like make little gifts or cookies or candy, anything at all in these little bags. Now, like little cellophane bags, you can see here, little gift bags, let's say. They're made out of plastic. The average size is 4.9 by 7.9. That's the size. And it does come with a little, like a little Raffia. You can just cut this rope, make it any length that you want, and you can actually tie it and make little gift bags. So that's what these are. Now you can put potpourri in here, you can put soap in here, you can put anything you want. Different configurations and sizes. You can get 100 bags, 200 bags, 500 bags, totally up to you. You know, holiday, Christmas time, birthday, it doesn't really matter. If you're looking to make little wedding favors, this is a really cool idea. Do it yourself. It gives you all the materials that you need. You have the paper here. You have the little Raffia, like here's this little stuff right here. And I'll give you the quick example right here. This is like a soap, okay? I'm just going to put a soap in the bag. Say you're a crafter, you're doing craft shows. You want to put the soap in the bag, just like you see here, right? Now, the next thing you want to do, this is just a quick demonstration here. You just take a little piece of this Raffia here. Just cut it like that, and you are good to go. Get this all. Here's a whole bunch of bags that came in the kit right there. Put that to the side. And you can see here, you just bunch it up like this here. Take the Raffia a little around the corner, go like this. Wrap it up nice. Make a little bow, and you can see now you have a little gift. Just like that. And you can pass these out just like that. Put a bunch of soap in here. You can just see the example how it is. If you have any craft shows, things like that, definitely worth it. Nice quality, very flexible, easy to use, and definitely going to recommend this for sure. If you enjoy this type of content, if you enjoyed this demonstration on something like this, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow the channel for more, because we do all types of videos like this to help educate you and teach you about things like this. That's what this is all about. So I hope you enjoyed that. This is, like I said, there's 100 bags here. You can get 100, 200, or 500, totally up to you. They're clear, and you can put candy, anything at all, just anything you want to put in a bag and make a little presentation. You can definitely do it with this. Really, really nice. Appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Don't forget to follow for more. See you at the next review.